Ahoy there, everybody. Captain Granite here, and we are out riding about on this beautiful, like, 77-degree day, and this guy's gonna take his time. You know, who cares if a cement truck's coming? He gave zero fucks. Okay, well, what are we doing on this beautiful, beautiful day? Riding, of course. Yes. But we're gonna go get some really good food. We are on our way to Kettlehead Brewery, which, I mean, my first motovlog of the year, I went to Kettlehead. I got some beer. Well, this time we're going to have some beer, we're going to have some food, and we got some company with us. We got Tanner behind us on his new to him Suzuki 800. I think there's a name to it. I don't know. It's a Suzuki. And then I got Mrs.KaptainGranite on the back here with me, and I'm gonna have her wave to you in 3, 2, 1, and yeah. So I got my my brand new wind deflectors on the bike as well, which actually I think they're doing actually like a really good job. Like I absolutely love them. I got a lot less wind here across the chest, which is what I needed. I do have a bit of wind at the top of the helmet still, but that's only because my windshield doesn't have the little lip to it. If it had the lip, it'd push the air up and over my helmet. Since I don't have that, I have the wind hitting here. Like, actually, I feel it like right here, right at the top crest of the helmet. That's crest, right? That's they call it still. The kids still call it the crest of the helmet. So I think I just need another inch. Maybe not the first time I've heard that, or yeah. Whoa! Fonzie's Antiques! Change the subject. But yeah, I'm really excited to get some Kettlehead food. The beer speaks for itself. It's delicious. It's literally one of my favorite beers of all time. You meet the nicest people on a Honda. You really do. Look at all those chickens. And then when we get to Kettlehead, which I'm really hoping that we get there on time, because it's 5:30 now. We're supposed to be there at 5:45, because you have to make reservations still here. And I believe Mr. Lakes Region Rider will be meeting us, hopefully, if it's not past his curfew. Though he's 20, so he can't drink. Not until June. I would say I'd have a drink for him, but I'm sticking to one. It's a social beer. I don't condone drinking and driving. Or drinking and riding. Both. I've heard it both ways. Yeah, something I don't like to do or ever do. So really, just gonna go have the one beer. Gonna have food. And have some really good company. I'm bringing you all along with me. We're sitting outside, so I'm gonna actually record it and have some kind of like B-roll kind of footage for like the first time ever. Well, I say that, but like incorporating it into a motos vlog. But I am totally digging these wind deflectors. It is so much less buffeting. Like, oh, I am ecstatic. I really do wish I was recording earlier, because I almost got hit by a turkey. Not me almost hitting a turkey almost hit me. Ah! You're so far away from me. And I don't have my normal helmet on. I decided, you know, I haven't worn the Helter Skelter helmet in a long time. So it was just one of those things where I grabbed it and I was like, let's go with it. It's one of my favorite helmets. It was actually the first Voss helmet I ever bought. And it still holds true. Like I love this helmet. I need to wash the pads in it though. That's gotta happen. Because I mean, it's kind of like how Baker X Derek says. It kind of smells like the inside of a nun's asshole. I can say that, right? My channel's not PG. Oh, hello. How are you?
Almost 8,000. One more mile.
How many miles? I don't know. I don't know. He keeps stalling it, or it stalls on him.
What?
Come up here. My bike's running like shit.
Is it?
Yeah.
Change the fluids and stuff?
This gas is like 7 months old,
Oh.
but I gotta get through it. I don't want to mix it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, for some reason his bike keeps like shutting off on him. No clue as to why. It is carbureted, so I don't know. I don't know why it's doing it, but every now and again it just shuts off. But it fires right back up. Oh, Suzuki's are weird. I mean, they're bulletproof, but they're just weird. So if anyone in the comment section can kind of help us diagnose what the hell is going on with his bike, that would be most grateful. I'm pretty sure it was too. Lakes is going the long way. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that was Lakes. I caught a faint glimpse of him because I'm not paying attention to the people in the other lane. I was trying to figure out where Tanner was because that Prius wasn't moving, so I wanted to make sure that we got into the same. You know, he's behind me. I don't like it when cars get in between us. Not a big fan of that. You know, if you're in a car and you see a group of bikes and they're going, don't get in between them. That's kind of an ass thing to do. Man, that railroad track was stiff. Oh my. That's not the only thing that's stiff. The suspension is pretty stiff. That's what I was getting at. My suspension. Get your head out of the gutter, all you viewers. Oop. Sorry. Fuck. Tanner stopped. I didn't. I'm the ass. Captain Asshole here. And we are going to be actually early for our reservations. About 8 minutes early. That's pretty good for me. Oh, my Lanta, Georgia. So next time you see us, we're gonna be at Kettlehead and we're gonna be having some fun. So I'll see you guys in a second.
You too.
Absolutely, get a Grom. All right, so I got a Bauman still popping.
Definitely don't get a Grom. Get in that 4.
Morgan got a Bauman still popping. Tanner got a
I don't know. IPA.
And Lake's got a water.
On the rocks.
On the rock. You got water on the rocks.
You can't teach me how to shave my face.
I think he's teaching how to shave.
Yeah,
Stick it
dude.
in.
Yes,
follow the
son.
line.
It's legit, dude. It takes me 10 seconds.
Just stick it in, keep it in line.
No scissors, none of that.
Scissors. I ain't getting scissors anywhere near my
Fuck
lips.
that, dude. It doesn't take me 10 seconds.
Have you gotten a haircut yet?
No.
No. I cut my hair though.
What happened to I'm gonna get a haircut tomorrow?
I told you that Saturday, didn't I?
Yeah.
Yeah. What was tomorrow?
Sunday.
Talking about this is a week from now.
Not only Sunday. It was Easter.
Oh.
And then I realized that nobody's open.
Whose fault's that?
I'm literally... Jesus. You shouldn't have been reborn
Yes,
that
more
Sunday.
deadly. To open up with a nice face.
And so now we got some pretzel bites. Got some pretzel bites over here.
Ew. Oh yeah, this is weird.
Tanner's got some bomb looking.
Look at how many nachos he
Look at
has.
the nachos. Alright, so let's try these pretzel bites. Do the what is this? The maple mustard?
Have a good night.
Some type of mustard.
Maple mustard here.
Always working.
Have you ever been here?
Oh.
Dude, I'm not eating all these, so if anyone wants some.
Pretzel bites are amazing.
That's a whole lot of
Yeah.
And then, oh no, this is the maple mayo.
That's a beer cheese.
Oh, that's the beer cheese.
maple mayo. Could you imagine?
Have you ever had maple mayo?
Maple mayo.
That exists?
Yeah, oh, maple mayo is delicious.
That's what they call it, Kenny.
Beer cheese is beer cheese. It's always good.
A little too beer for me.
And then
Not enough beer for me.
this beer is called Bombin' Still Poppin'. Also really good. We'll go back over here to Tanner's.
So good.
Look at that. That just looks absolutely delicious. So what'd you order?
Buffalo burger.
Max speed?
Or
Buffalo burger with Parmesan fries. Lake's got a
Cuban Sando. About to crush this sand. How did that go?
he's still working on his nachos.
Nope, that's probably where they'll sit.
That's where they're gonna sit. I got my double burger, fries, and that's where my beer status is right now.
20 grand to digging for a
Get it?
grand.
Get it!
That was hot.
That was hot.
Uh-huh.
Now you know how it feels.
Oh, that's hot. Still the same amount of nachos as last time.
You're just slowly eating. How is it?
The fries are good.
Have you had a bite of your sandwich?
No, it's going home with me.
Oh god.
So, I got the double burger.
Oh man.
Let's try it.
Yeah, though, if I get that army job, which I got told I was getting by the GC, I'm buying a fucking mini.
It's really good.
14?
No, like an excavator.
Like,
like cash.
Oh, I thought you meant
I'm gonna go
I had a
drop,
burger here.
I'm gonna go drop
First
30
time I ever
grand
came
cash
here,
in the Bobcat
I didn't
store.
like it.
Just like, what's up, guys?
This one was actually really good. I think they changed the
You
meat
say
supply.
that, but I guarantee you there's
And
a
the
lot of
fries?
people who do that.
Is there?
Well,
Maybe.
fries.
I don't know. 30 grand cash is a lot of money. I'm bringing a gun.
Those were really good too.
Oh man, my chicken's falling out.
Dude, 30 grand.
Your chicken's falling out,
A little bit.
and
And it gave me checks. I don't
somehow
want to count for it.
somehow my
Disappeared.
my beer got reloaded.
Sorry, I'm just...
A little later.
All right, everybody, I'm back. I forgot to do like a little sign-off thing there at the end, but oh man, I was so full of sweet, delicious meats and pretzel bites, and you know the beer. It was delicious, great times. And now I'm stuck between these two yahoos. I got Lakes on the left, Tanner on the right. Lakes' bike is obnoxiously loud now with his new pipes. And I really, really wish I would have brought my clear visor, because you know what? It's a wee bit dark for this visor. So, in the interest of safety, because I mean it's hard to see, and especially when a car doesn't turn his lights on, and a random guy's playing guitar on the sidewalk while walking. I'm going to end the video So thank you all for being here, hanging out with us today. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't, leave a nice comment. Lakes Region Rider, go over to his channel, hit that subscribe button. We're getting him up to 100 here. He's only got one video out, he's working on it. Tanner, I don't know if he's gonna have a video. If he does, it's gonna be about excavating and stuff like that, because that's what he does for a living. He just makes holes. So thank you all again. Y'all sexy, sweet buttered toast Christmas lights. I had to throw a sweet buttered toast in, guys. I had to. So until the next one, this is Captain Granite. Later.
I am the cream, yeah.